tree, full of apples, red and green. You see, juicy, crunchy, oh so sweet. An apple, such a tasty treat. Yellow banana, yellow and long, a yummy snack that makes us strong. Potassium to keep us right, banana's such a delight. Orange like the sunshine bright, packed with vitamin C just right. Peel it open, smell the zest, and orange is the very best. Strawberry red and oh so sweet, tiny seeds on every tree. Juicy, ripe and full of flavor, a strawberry will always savor. Mint bunches purple and green, a fruity snack, a tasty dream. Pop them in your mouth, they burst with joy. Grapes for every girl and boy. Apple, banana, orange too. Strawberry and grapes, so good for you. Fruits are colorful, fruits are fun. Let's eat them all, one by one. So many fruits for us to try. Let's see them all, reach for the sky. Healthy bodies, healthy minds, fruits of every kind.
Thank you for watching Learning Zone. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.